looking good. I got the windows rolled down, let these motherfuckers see my face. Just to let them know I ain't worried about a goddamn thing.
If I die today, don't be